Hello there. If you're watching this video, chances are you've noticed a higher than desired bounce rate on your website. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we are going to delve into why your bounce rate might be high and explore some effective strategies to improve it. First things first, let's clarify what bounce rate is. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who land on your website and then leave without interacting further. A high bounce rate could be an indication that something is amiss. Now, let's identify some common reasons for a high bounce rate. High bounce rates often result from slow loading pages. Users want information fast, and if your site takes too long to load, they're likely to click away. A confusing or unattractive design can turn visitors away. Ensure your website is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. If your content doesn't match visitors' expectations or is irrelevant, they'll likely bounce. Make sure your content is engaging and provides real value. A weak or missing CTA can lead to high bounce rates. Your CTA should be clear, compelling, and guide visitors on the next steps you want them to take. Now that we've identified the issues, let's explore some strategies to improve your bounce rate. Compress images, leverage browser caching, and minimize HTTP requests to enhance page loading speed. Invest in a user-friendly design. Ensure your website is intuitive, easy to navigate, and provides a seamless experience across devices. Understand your audience and tailor your content to their needs. High-quality, relevant content keeps visitors engaged and encourages them to explore further. Ensure your CTA stands out, is persuasive, and clearly tells visitors what you want them to do next. Whether it's making a purchase, filling out a form, or contacting you, make it compelling. As we wrap up, remember that improving your website's bounce rate is an ongoing process. Regularly analyze data, stay updated on industry trends, and be willing to adapt. Now, if you are feeling a bit overwhelmed or unsure where to start, we are here to help. Ready to transform your website and reduce that bounce rate? We are offering a free consultation to discuss your specific challenges and opportunities. Click the link below to schedule your consultation now. Let's turn those bounces into conversions. Remember, consistency is key, and by implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to a lower bounce rate and a more engaging website. Thanks for watching.